Hello students, I hope all you are fine, doing lot of studies, helping your parents and many more things. You are learning many new things, I hope. And I wish you should do all because the day start with new learning. Go for new learning, something different you should do in your life. Try to think in critically and do something. Okay, let's begin with our topic of social and political life, that is civics. Chapter number 2, role of the government in health. And our subtopic is healthcare and equality. I think so. We already completed last topics 2, 3. Let me recall our last topic, that is public health services and private health facilities. I think so we discussed that thing and you understood what is private and what is public health services. I come to know nowadays we are looking for many things, but you are not watching the videos. You are getting bored, I think so, to watch the videos. But we are also helpless, my dear children. How can we help you? If you are getting bored in this, so it is not a solution. Stick on that, make a timetable of studies and sit in study hours, please. See, don't think it's now the time is not for that, will not come again. So please don't waste your time. Read good things, watch good things. Okay, let's begin with the healthcare and equality. If I am talking about India naturally, so in India we face India is such a populated country. There will be health. Do you think the health will be good in India? I don't think so, because most population country, can our Indian economy is developing in that way? Not at all. So, but India faced lot of difficulties for giving the healthcare. When we see because of the population only, the root cause is population. Is adequate healthcare available to all? Adequate means fully sufficient or equal to the sum of requirement. So, in India, we face a situation is different and healthcare is different. Though government is taking, the foremost duty of the government is to take care of the health. Then let's begin with this. In adequate healthcare available to, in India, we face a situation where the private services are increasing, but the public service are not. What is then available to the people mainly in the private services? So people don't go to the government hospitals, public hospitals, they go to the private because they know there is no good treatment. Now also in pandemic we can find the government hospital is giving worse treatment to the people in this COVID-19 pandemic. These are the concreted in urban areas. They are constructed already in urban areas. Urban areas means in cities. Mostly I am talking about the private. All these services are run for the profit. The cost of these services is rather high. Why Amitabh Bachchan not went to the government hospital? Why he went to Nanavati Hospital of Mumbai? That is private because he get a good treatment. He knows he will not go for private. Can you see Ashok Raj Chauhan? He was also COVID. He went? No. So they know these things. Because of it, they have money, they can do it. Then medicines are expensive. Many people cannot afford them or have to borrow the money when there is an illness in the family. For those who are poor, even very illness in the family can cause a great anxiety and distracted. You will find they will borrow the money, and many 40%, 20% of the population mostly can affordable, but many of the people at the time they have to borrow the money when anybody is in the hospital. There is the survey had taken out 40% people used to do like this because they are poor for the illness and they don't have that much money. Then inadequate health care, those who are poor are in first place, and why they are those who are poor, they are malnourished. These families are not eating as much as they should. Why they unfit? Because they are not eating good food. They having illnesses, and they are not provided basic necessity like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surrounding. Because of this, there are many diseases for them. Those who are in the slum areas, you can find more diseases. But now in this pandemic, we can't say, but many of actually, if you see in this way, you will find people have suffered with the drinking water, adequate housing, clean surrounding is not there. They are living in slum areas, so because of their they face illness. Then sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevent the people for getting a proper medical treatment. Women, for example, are not taken to doctor for proper manner. You can see the picture on your page number 17 of your textbook. I request you, please open your textbook while I am teaching. Right. So on that, this pregnant lady has to travel many kilometers to see the qualified doctors. You can see the picture on your page number 27 in your textbook. You will find there are so many villages where there is not a medical facility for a lady who is carrying. So there are so many and big diseases to live it. This is a simple thing. So that is also very difficult for them. So for example, there are not a proper doctor, not a proper treatment. Many tribal areas have too few health centers and they do not run properly. They are health centers for just time being, not running properly because they require money. A good qualified doctor, the qualified doctor will not come in the village. Even a private health services are not available in many of the villages, so they have to come. Now in this, I will give you best example. In this situation in COVID-19, you will find many of the our areas surrounding Naigaon and Basmatan or nearby areas, people come to Nanded, and because of that we have the people are increasing. You can find this is a simple thing. Just reflect this thing or relevant this example to the current examples. Go through the newspapers, you will find out. So then what can to be done? What can be done? Now what can be done means in such a manner, or you can say, let me tell you one more thing. In order to money private hospitals services, they use incorrect methods. What incorrect methods? They give unnecessary treatment, like they unnecessary give medicine or injections or saline bottles. They give unnecessary, though because they want to earn the money. The private having such type of. In fact, 20% of the population can afford all medicine that they require during the illness. Hence, even though in one might not be being poor, medical expenses are so costly, they are unable. And the report has taken 40% of people who are admitted in hospital or some injury, they have to borrow the money for the medicine or for some expenses. It is a survey. Now, what can we do? There is little doubt that the health situation of the most people in our country is not good. So there is a little doubt that the health situation of the people is not good. It is a responsibility of the government to provide the quality of healthcare services to all its citizens, especially poor and disadvantaged. Those are poor and a lot below them. So some of the case studies done by the so many states, we will discuss that case studies. So however, the health is much dependent on the basic amenities and the local condition of the people. The healthcare should be good because of the local, and it is all on the healthcare services. Hence, it is important work on both in order to improve the health situation of the people, and this can be done. So we will talk about one example is given in your textbook on page number 28, that is case study of Kerala. Can you see this map in front of you? And I show you red color, that is in Kerala. And the Kerala experience, the Kerala government provided the facilities to villages, and they provide food, water, education, open Anganwadis and schools. See how the Kerala take initiative related to health of the people. Then we'll discuss experience of the Kerala. It is a one type of a case study. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the states. Now what did it? 40% of entire state budget was given to the panchayats, because small villages they have panchayat, they given the budget means money. Say they could plan and provide the requirement. This made it possible for the village to make sure that the proper planning was done for the water, food, women's development and education. That means whatever the state is collecting the funds, partly 40% given to the panchayat, not villages, to take care of all these things, food, water and women's education and development of the women's, right? Then this means that water supply schemes were checked, thus working of school and Anganwadi were ensured a specific problem to villages to take up, and they will ensure that whether everything is going on not proper or not, they made a committee who is working on that, whether everything is providing properly or not, or whether the money what we are giving you, all you are corrupted or what. No, that there is a special committee. Despite of these efforts, however, the problem shortage of medicine. So after that, though they had did all these efforts, however, the problem of shortage of medicine, hospital bed, not enough doctor remained, and they needed to address it. All still the problem were there. Still the problem were there because of that. Then we will discuss one more example is given in your textbook. Please see the map in your textbook on page number 28. And one more example is given of the Costa Rica. Costa Rican approach. Now the Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest country in South America. Costa Rica is considered as a healthiest country in South America. The main reason for this was can be found in the Costa Rican constitution. They made one constitution, and let me tell you that in other part of the country, all state having different constitution. Now India, what we have only one single constitution and it should be followed. But in America, in US and other part of the countries, that means European countries, they have small states, and every states have their own constitution. The main reason for this found in Costa Rica constitution, several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. They don't have army. They thought that the army should not there. Then what they did, if the army is not there, then what they did, so they helped the Costa Rica government spend, they decided not to be army, so what they did, they spend the money of that army using what the army is using related, better give to good health, education and basic need of the people. No need of army, because it may be small state, so not need of army. Will not go for the army, we will go for good health, education and other needs of the people. Now when you see the controversy nowadays in the news, you will find Rafale is there, we are taking the defense and all, because nowadays China war is going on. So but still many people used to say for the Prime Minister, why he is not taking care of the people, what about this pandemic, what about he is spending money in the Rafale. There are so many questions now, controversies. So here the government is taking care of the people, health, education and basic need of the people. The Costa Rican government that the country has to be healthy for the development and pay lot of attention to the health of its people. They used to think in that way. Then I'm sorry, some phone has come, so I disturb you. So the government basic services of this, they provide drinking, sanitation, and nutrition of for the people, and health education is considered very important knowledge about the health and essential for the education for all levels. So they make a health learning, health education, and it was essential for everyone. So they given good education to the people. Like this, the government take care of the things about the health. So this was the your chapter where I was discussing about all topic. I will read once again for you. By that you will understand the lesson. Okay. First was what is health. I think so you know what is health. I discussed with you. Then healthcare in India. What sort of healthcare in India? And one more story was there. The cost of cure. Please go through the story. It is interesting about Abba and all. And I think so I discussed that story in that in your that video. And public and private health care services. Then we discussed healthcare and equality. So equality is totally not there in India. Private hospitals are more important. Public hospitals are not that much. People not going that. There is no equality and not getting that proper health. So you are the coming up of the country. You are the future of the country. Think about our India. If you are a doctor, you go to the villages and give the treatment to the people. Everyone, but nowadays all are selfish. They do in that way ki I want to doctor, so I should be safe. But there are so many beautiful examples in COVID-19. You can find how doctors work for us. I think we should salute to the doctors who are working day and night for us. And even they are providing, government is also doing. How can the government will take care of that big population? We have to save ourselves. So keep safe yourself, stay at home and safe. Okay, thank you and God bless you.